Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Sunnyside Acura in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2019 Audi RS5. This thing is awesome. First time driving an RS5, and I am very much impressed. 2.9 liter twin turbo V6 up front, 444 horsepower. Absolutely awesome car. Nardo gray. Look at that. Obviously, RS5 Sportback. Just such. I just realized frameless doors. That threw me for a loop. Oh, love German cars. Carbon fiber all through the interior trim. Heated steering wheel. Just, oh. Your drive select, heated seats. Such an awesome car. Sunroof, of course. Something tells me that should be a light, but it's not. So tons of burbles, but they're not pops. They're not bang in your face. You know, the window's down right now. They're very, very muted, but you can feel them when they do happen. You can feel it in the seat. You can feel them in your back. Which honestly kind of makes them a bit better than if they were snap in your face. Obviously you can hear them, but it's not going to annoy absolutely everybody in a 30-mile radius. I'm a huge fan of the S5, the S4, and obviously this is going to drive pretty similar to those cars. The added power is very welcome. This thing flies. The platform, it's such a good platform. This thing flies. And now here's the thing, and this is the case with all Volkswagen Group products. The aftermarket is huge. This engine has so much tuning potential. You could be in the 600 horsepower range with simple tune and bolt-ons. These things are weapons. You know, I might have been wrong when I said twin turbo. I probably should have checked that. I don't think these are supercharged. I know they used to be. Why do these things have to be so good? Why? Why do the Germans have to know how to make such good cars? Oh no, it's turbo. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.